Right, in the new vehicle, about to start it for the first time. Sounds nice. That's stock too. That's the stock exhaust. What up, YouTube? Yo, so before I take you guys to the new whip, because I'm not gonna make you watch a whole video and make you wait to the end to see it, but before I take you there, I just want you guys to do me a favor. If you enjoy the content and you fuck with the Charger 2020 wide bodies, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications, and help me out, man. I'm trying to get my stuff up. I'm trying to take this to the next level, you know, so I can bring the best content possible. You know, I'm gonna do all the upgrades, I'm gonna do everything. So if you enjoy this, just hit that subscribe button, hit the notification, and give me a like. And I appreciate it very much, man. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so we're in the Challenger RT right now, and I'm on my way to go get the new whip, man. It's here, they hit me up, they said it's ready to go, and I'm ready to go, man. I've been ready to go. I ordered it, custom ordered about a month ago. It didn't actually take that long, so we're on our way, we're ready to go get it. I actually fucked up, and my phone is dying. Well, it's not dying, but I don't have a lot of battery, so I'm gonna try to preserve it the best that I can so I can get the most footage possible. I won't be recording off the phone for long, so don't worry. The content's gonna be dope, man. I'm gonna have good quality. I'm gonna be getting the top-notch vlogging camera, the drone, the GoPro for when I'm in the whip. So don't worry, man. The phone will not last long. It's just gonna be the first couple videos, but after that, like I said, I'm gonna have all the top-notch shit. So bear with me, man. It is a process, and we will go through that process accordingly. But yeah, man, we are on our way, and I'm gonna hit you guys when we get there. All right, so I'm here, guys, and oh my God. Just wait till you guys see this thing, man. It is a beauty. I'm just waiting on my man, Jay. We're about to go check it out. Right here with Jay.
How's it going?
Cool guy right here. Dodge Jeep. What is it? Dodge Jeep Ram Chrysler.
Yep.
Best salesman here. Ask about him.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I'm gonna show him the outside real quick.
Yep.
Check this thing out.
Call. Oh my.
Brand new. He said it's the first one. That thing is shiny. Got the red brake calipers. 392. Red seats. Yes, sir. We'll get back to business. Show you guys more in a minute.
All right here.
And before we finish with this, because my phone's about to die, you want to give them your number? Tell them to hit you up?
805-287-0055.
There it is, baby. As I said, I ran out of sunlight. I was at the dealership for like 4 hours. But if you know, I had an RT 2011. Couldn't do this. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get used to that, baby. Get real used to that. Got the red. Got the guts. With the bee, don't get stung, baby. Cause I don't die, I'm a wasp. You dig?
Boy, if you don't get.
Yes, sir. What up, YouTube? So we back, And like I said, it's a whole new day. I ran out of time yesterday. I didn't get to record everything. My phone died. The sun went down. So I'm gonna show you guys everything today. And it is a couple days later. I ain't gonna lie. I've been having too much fun with my new car. It is that dope. So, but without further ado, let's get out there and I'm gonna show you what it do. There she is. The Beauty and the Beast, all in one, man. Look at that. Got the red brake calipers, them Brimbos, them big things right there. Yes, sir. Still got to get the windows tinted. That'll be one of the first things I do. I don't know if I'm gonna do that first or get the muffler delete. But yeah, man, you see it. She's a little dirty. Don't mind all the bugs. Been eating all that up. I need to give it a wash, but it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I'm gonna wait on that. But you see it, man? Got the bee right there. Let's hop in, man. Let's go for a little ride. Actually, before we do that, how can I forget? I gotta get used to this, you know. I ain't have this on the 2011 RT. Let's give it a little start. And it ain't a cold start because I already drove it today, but you know, we're still gonna see what it sounds like. Yes, sir! You hear it? Just wait for that muffler delete, man. That thing is gonna sound like a beast. It already sounds good, man. That thing sounds so good. Look at that. Wide body. Alright, man, let's go. Alright, man, we are in the whip. And let's go, man. Let's not waste any time. Let's get it. I'm gonna buckle up for safety. You know, safety first. Strap up, click it or ticket. I ain't trying to get no tickets, man. So yeah, you see it, man. Got the bees on the seats, the red guts on the interior. The only way to go, man. You know I had to get that custom made. And before we take off, let me show you guys something, man. Here's my little paper and all that, you know, the thing they give you when you buy it. And I ain't gonna show you the price and all that just yet. You know, I'm gonna save that for a different video. But just so you guys know that it ain't no game out here. You see it, that's my name right there, man. This vehicle was built especially for Louis Morales. Yes, sir. You know, this ain't no game out here, man. I told you this is the custom built just for me, man. You know, if you're gonna do it, you gotta get what you want. They didn't have what I wanted out there when I was looking. They didn't have a lot of these periods. So, you know, Jay hooked it up, man. He ordered it for me and got everything I wanted on it. And we're gonna talk more about that later, but I just wanted to let you guys know that this ain't no game, baby. So let's do it. Let's go on a little ride. You know, before we take off, gotta put it on that custom. And I haven't broke 500. We about halfway there. 250. It had 18 when I got it, but we about halfway there. And then I could put the transmission in track. I could already, but you know, I kind of want to just wait. I want to break it in the right way. But as you can see, I got the paddle shifters on. I got the traction. I'm gonna keep that in street. I got the suspension in track, and I got the steering in track. So, yes, sir. And you can feel the difference, but we'll talk more about that later when I do the full review. But I just want to show you, you know, that's how I drive. That's my custom. So let's get it, man. Got the nice little lever there. Let's go. Kick the brake in. Yes, sir, and we out. And I will be getting that GoPro very soon, so bear with me on that. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man. I am loving this thing. I don't want to say too much because I want to save some for the review, but I can't even hold it in, man. I got nothing bad to say just yet, but we ain't done with it yet, so we're gonna see. Damn, bitch almost ran right into me, man. You seen that shit? God damn, what the fuck? But yeah, like I was saying, I've only had it for a day or so, so you know, there's still time to be a tough critic on it. But as of right now, man, I'm gonna tell you, this thing is butter. It drives so smooth. Like I don't even know if I pushed all the like halfway down on the gas pedal. I ain't gonna go full just yet because like I said, I'm trying to break it in. But I don't even know if I pushed halfway down on the gas pedal yet. And this thing is just goes, man. Like it's like it begs you to just drive fast. You could tell that it just wants to go fast. This thing just wants to go. It was built to go. Like, that's just the only way I could put it. This thing is a head turner too, man. Jay told me it's the first one in the city. Everybody's been looking at me like I got a damn Lambo or something. There's a little Charger right there. I mean Challenger, my bad. You know, I remember those days. I've been seeing all the Chargers out here and all the other Mopars, and I just feel like they can't fuck with me, man. Until I see a Hellcat or another wide body Scat, like none of these people could fuck with me, bro. That's just how I feel, man. It's a dope feeling being in this thing, man, because nobody has it over here. I haven't seen, this is the first time that I've even seen this car in person ever, like, and when I seen it, man, I was just, it was love at first sight. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. Hold up. Woo! Okay, got a little sideways on him. This thing is so fun, man. They weren't lying, man. I would watch Racer X and everyone talk about these, saying how fun they are, and he wasn't lying, man. This shit is fun as hell. And I ain't even broke it in yet, man. I'm barely halfway there. But we gonna get there. We gonna get there quick. And then we gonna see what this thing can really do. Just so you know, we in Mexico right now, alright? Bumpy as hell. Guys, when I tell you this thing is nothing to play with, this thing is nothing to play with. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am back, and that's gonna pretty much do it for this one. You know, I had tons of fun. This thing is a beast, this thing is a beauty, and you know, I'm just super hype on it, man, and I'm super grateful. I appreciate this so much. I do not take it for granted whatsoever. I know that to some people this ain't much, but to a lot of people, they'll never be able to even sit in a car like this, let alone own one. So I'm thankful for everything. I'm grateful for every single moment, and I do not take it for granted whatsoever. But with that being said, everything is attainable. You just got to put your mind to something, find something that you're good at, something that you could stick to, something that you won't get bored with, and anything is attainable. You could do this. I could do it. I'm gonna get way further than this. This is just the beginning for me. Well, it's not even the beginning, but this is just the next step for me, and there's still way more levels to this for me, man. So don't ever count yourself out. Count your blessings. Don't ever count yourself out. You could do whatever you want. And I ain't gonna sit here and preach too much, but you know, I just want to give some inspiration to whoever I can. You know, I want to help out however I can and do whatever I can. So hopefully I can help in any way possible to inspire, even if it's just one person. That will make me feel like I did my job. So let me know what you guys thought of the whip. Let me know if you think it's the best one out, because I do. I ain't seen one better than this yet. I ain't even gonna lie. And also let me know if you guys have any suggestions. Let me know what you want to see. Tell me in the comments, and I'm gonna do my best to bring everything that you guys want to see. Feel free to tell me what I can improve on, because I'm taking all criticism. You know, I ain't sensitive, so don't hold your tongue, don't hold back. Say what you feel, and I'm gonna take it for what it is. Let me know what modifications you want to see me do to the whip. Let me know what you guys want to see first. The muffler delete. Obviously, I'm gonna get the windows tinted. Some performance mods. What you guys want to see, let me know, and we gonna get it done. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. There's much more content to come. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Help me out. You know, we trying to get to that next level. And the quality will be improving quickly. Like I said, I'm getting the drone. I'm getting the top level vlogging camera. I'm getting the GoPro for the whip. You know, I'm gonna do car reactions. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of stuff, man. So we putting this shit together. It's gonna go together quick. So bear with me. I'm not too good at all this talking in front of the camera stuff yet. So I'm gonna get better at that. So bear with me with that as well. And it's gonna be a dope journey, man. I'm excited to see where it goes. Again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.